How to fix beauty filter on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'll be showing you how you can fix beauty filter on TikTok. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So when you go to your TikTok application, and right now I am on the home page of my TikTok application, and now you can tap on the plus icon or the create icon, and now you can see the option that says beautify. You can also get beauty filters from effects, get it from filters. If this features and effects is not working on your TikTok application, that means there is problem with your TikTok application, or this feature is not available on your region. Now what you can do to fix it, and the first reason this might happen is because of your problem with your TikTok application. Now what we are going to do is go to our settings and clear all the temporary files on our TikTok application to free up space for our application to run smoothly. So now to do that, now go to your settings section on your mobile device, and now you can see the option that says apps and notifications. Just tap on it and search for TikTok on the search icon, which is around at the top right side of the screen. Type on TikTok and tap on TikTok, and you will be taken to app information section of TikTok application. And now you can see the option that says storage and cache. Just tap on it and tap on clear cache to clear all the temporary files, which will free up space for your application to run smoothly. Now second step, what you can do is, these features might not be working because your application is outdated, and now you need to update your application to its latest version. To do that, you have to go to your Play Store and search for TikTok on the search bar. And if you see update button instead of open, that means that your application needs to be updated to its latest version. So tap on update, and your update files will be downloaded to your mobile device, and it might fix your problem. In many of the cases it happens because your application is outdated. Just do that. But if you don't see update button instead of open, that means that your application is already updated to its latest version. So after following these two steps, if you are not able to fix beauty filter on TikTok, what you can do is, uninstall your application and install it again, and it might solve your problem. Or you can use VPN. You can access this feature from different server. Just download and install your VPN and launch it. And now you can connect from different region. Just tap on connect button, and you will be able to connect to a different server, and you will be able to access this feature. So try doing this and you might fix your problem. To fix beauty filter on TikTok, these steps, if you are facing this problem, you can try to uninstall your TikTok application and install it again, or you can even try to restart your device. Restarting your device and reinstalling your application fixes some bugs on your TikTok application, and it might solve your problem in this case to fix beauty filter on TikTok. So after doing these all steps, I hope that you will be able to fix beauty filter on TikTok. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.